Hi everybody, I'm Shia from Man and Camera. Today I want to talk about 123RF, the website for selling photos. So what they did now is they upgraded the system, made it a lot easier for photographers to upload photos. As you see, I want to show you the dashboard. It tells you how much photos were downloaded. Less photos were sold. Most of the photos here are sold for. Let's go. Click on it and see what's happening. Gives you a rundown how much photos were sold and how much you made from each photo. You could see total 8 photos were sold. Gives you which date it was sold, how much money, 22 cents. You see by the numbers 2. The thing is, let's go back to what I'm talking about, because I'm not talking about earnings today. But you could see the page here. What I want to talk about is manage content. After you uploaded images, as you see, I have here pending. Pending means that it's waiting to be released. Okay, now what we're doing now is submit photos. You just have to click on it. You see, before you have to go one by one. It was clumsy and not too pleasant. Now it's more pleasant. The thing is, what you have to do is, it's very simple. Here's your country. So my country is Israel. You have to write the first 2 letters and it finds it for you. As you know, my system of keywords and titles. Copy. What I do is copy and paste. You see, its system works perfectly. Now the thing is, you don't have to go one by one. So I'm very happy of 123RF. I hope the other systems become also smarter and start working like this system. You see, I need any model release because no people in it. And now here, it might take a couple hours till they. Do you want me to do a couple? I'll do a couple more photos to show you. This is a starfish, so what I'll do. Go to erase photos here, upload photos. I'll show you how I upload photos also. You have to go look for starfish. I should also, you should also build a list like this with Excel file, open up Excel, and set up yourself a whole sheet full of all the keywords and titles. Then you can do copy and paste, and then have to try to figure out the words. I have different videos. You can see how to find keywords in Shutterstock and Adobe Stock at different websites. And it might take a couple hours for them to get the photos in their website. It takes time to upload it. Okay, if you need releases, you're taking pictures of people, you need a release. They have a release form somewhere in this website. You should write release forms for. This thing here is the earning details. Let's do it. See, I have to give it file earnings. You'll have a link below the video to join this website. My my affiliate link. So you could when you open an account, you can also have an affiliate link and get all the people sign up under you and you make money. This thing is to upload the files. As you see, let's cancel it. It's get stuck. Now upload a photo. No, it's not. I have to go to my photos. I'm just gonna show you an idea when I try to upload a photo. Okay, you see, you can upload through FTP, a program called, and I can talk about it because I have a video about it. So let's go and take the photo. I think I've uploaded this photo already to this website, but I'll do it again for the show. See, 25%, 50. See, what the thing is, they have a automatic system that tells you if the file is too big or too small. If the file is too small, so it doesn't not meet the requirements. You have to say this photo is yours, and that's it. Now it showed up here. You see, pending means the files are waiting for you to do something, or they're waiting for it. Okay, I hope you had a good time here. Subscribe to my channel if you have any questions. Leave a comment below the video, and we'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.